Hey guys, thank you for with the video for you guys. In today's video, we're going to do a long-term review of the Magsafe Silicon case for the iPhone 13 Pro lineup. Now, these cases have been used for 6 months and over a year just to show you what the quality of these cases look like, because these cases are close to $40 to $50 when we got them, and they are Apple. So here I have three different ones in three different stage. One of them is brand new, the other one is about 6 months, and then lastly the one about a year or so since it was released. So this is a long-term review. If you are thinking of that Magsafe Silicon case from Apple, here is the review of it and the phones that we used it on. So first one first that we have here is the pink one. This is the one that's brand new that we recently did an unboxing for. As you can see here, the condition overall, these are really light and simple to put on. So this one, as you can see, you got that circular knot, and then it is easy to put on as well. So as you can see here, the iPhone 13 Pro in Zero Blue, for example, put that on, you got that animation going on, and just like that, pretty easy to put on. Again, fits well. It's a little bit raised here and does the job pretty well. So this is a brand new one on the 13 Pro Zero color. And then you can put it on this one as well. As you can see, the gold one, just like that, to give you guys just a quick idea. As you can see, the animation, just like that, easy. Put on the gold one on the pink. So let's dive into it. So as you can see, brand new, it's all good and stuff. Now, what happens after 6 months of usage? So we use this on the 13 Pro, and look at this. So after 6 months of usage, you notice this silicon rubber actually starts to chip away and actually just break off pieces just like that. So as you can see here, and this wasn't used in any extreme condition, just basic usage on the daily, just doing the simple stuff, wasn't taking any hard condition, just in the pockets, out. It wasn't dropped or anything like that either. And as you can see, it's starting to tear up just like that. And the inside looks good. It still has capability to do the MagSafe charging, nothing like that, but the condition of it, as you can see all around, it's really bad considering how much you pay for this. But we do have a solution that you guys can follow about what to do. Now this one's been used for a year. Now as you can see, when you use it for a year, back here it looks good overall. And then take a look at this over here right by the charge port. Stringy, is gonna pretty much rip off. Same thing on this side, tearing pieces. The top as well. So that's pretty much for almost a $50 that we paid. This one, the quality isn't that great on this Magsafe Silicon cases. So that's where it happened. Now, what can happen is if you bought it and it's been under a year or so, if you contact Apple, they might be able to get you a replacement one. This is where we got this free replacement from Apple by contacting their customer service. So if you guys want to contact customer service that, hey, this is chipping away, this was originally the one we had, and then they sent a different color one as well. So we'll test this one out as well. So that's kind of the long-term review of these MagSafe charger and how you can get a free one, possibly a replacement if you contact Apple. If it's under a year and you have the receipt, they might be able to send you a free one as well. So thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you guys next time. If you found this video helpful, please make sure that like and subscribe button.